Hello, so I quickly want to show you the best settings for your Instantly campaign or the best setting to use to warm up your emails. So if you're used to cold emailing, this platform is called Instantly. This is a software we use to warm up our emails and send bulk emails, right? So let me just start from these are the email accounts warming up, as you can see. You might want to ask what's the importance of warming up your emails. So when you buy domains and you put emails on those domains and the domain is new, the emails are new. So if you start sending the emails directly without warming it up, Google and Microsoft Outlook could easily block your account. So what is the warm up? Basically, warm up is your emails are sending and receiving emails like a normal mail, and it is gradually ramping up, right? So it looks like, let me just show you. So these are the emails being sent, 5 emails sent, 4 emails sent. So this is the warm up. So it's automatically sending and receiving emails for you, right? You don't have to do anything, but you have to have the appropriate settings for it. So first, I just put my name here, Benson, last name at time. So the daily campaign limit. So you can see there are two settings here. There's the campaign settings and there's the warm up setting basics. So I'll start with the campaign settings. The campaign settings are the settings that happens after maybe the 2-3 weeks of warm up when you start running the actual campaign, right? This is the settings. So we want to be sending 30 emails per day and we want to leave about 10-11 minutes wait time between each emails since we are using plenty email accounts to send. On a normal day, we would enable this. This is meant to be enabled. So enable slow ramp up. This slow ramp up is on the first day, it might start with 2 emails, increase to 4, 6. So it doesn't just send 10 emails on the first day of your campaign so that Google doesn't mark you as spam, right? So you set up your custom tracking domain, right? Then for your warm up setting basics, the increase per day is the suggested is 1, but I use 2, right? And the daily warm up limit is 10, but I use 20. Now I would explain what this increase per day mean and what daily warm up limit means. So increase per day means when the warm up starts, it starts with 2 email per day, right? That is this. Then it keeps on increasing by 2, right? So it will take about 10 days till it reaches this 20 mark. So that is like, let's say 10 days, 2 weeks, if you're not running it on weekends. So the aim is we are going to warm up for 2 weeks, right? If your domain is already an old domain, you just need to warm up for 2 weeks. But if your domain is new, domain age is very important for deliverability. So you would have to leave your domain for at least 30 days with a new domain, right? So increase by 2. So by the 10th day, we would have been able to start sending 20 emails. So at that 20 mark, it's just going to remain there. So by the time our main campaign starts after that 2 weeks, right, it is not going to start with 30 emails. So we are not going to, you never have to off your warm up. Warm up has to always be on. That's one important thing you need to know. So as your warm up as you on, that means you should be sending 20 emails per day, right, through your warm up. Now this slow ramp up will now start. So this will start sending 2 emails, 4 emails. So it will be 20 plus 2 plus 4 till it reaches the total of 50. You can see I put 30 emails here and I put 20 here. I can put 25 here and 25 here. The main aim is the daily campaign limit plus the daily warm-up limit should never be more than 50 emails. Because the aim is at the end of the day, our account will be sending a total of 50 emails, both warm-up and normal campaign. So in that way, Google will not be able to really mark us as spam because our warm-ups are helping cushion the effect of the normal campaign. So then we put the reply rate of 42%. When your campaign starts, we would normally increase this to like maybe 65, right? We would increase it to 65. This is due to cushion the effect of the normal campaign because by the time the campaign starts, we would be getting some responses. Some people might mark you as spam because I mean it's cold emailing, right? And some people would respond, but the response rate will be low. right? You can see when we come to advanced settings, I am sending on weekdays, read emulation, warm custom domain. My open rate is 100%, spam protection 100%, mark as important 100%. So this is for my warm up settings. So while the warm up is going on, when the emails land in the inbox, it opens it, it goes through it, it protects it against spam. So this is why your warm up has to still be on when your campaign starts. You understand? So it's going to really help you cushion the effect. So your emails still maintain this very good health score. That's the most important thing. If your email has this good health score, you're sure of getting a very good deliverability. So warm ups are a very crucial part for deliverability. That's one thing you have to know. So yeah, I think I've covered the warm up settings. You can also do a bulk edit. Take for instance, if you wanted to edit this in bulk, I could just come here bulk edit. So bulk edit, everything goes to like default settings. So I can edit what I maybe change the name, change the daily campaign limits, change the minutes here. I can also change the inbox placements. You get everything is on default setting and I can just change it and it changes. Take for instance, if you have like 100 or 200 emails here, everything just changes automatically. It just makes your life very easy. So yeah, so I think I've covered everything. If there's any other thing about warming up emails with Instantly you might need to know, you can just put it in the comment section and I'll be happy to reply you. Thank you very much.